Well, hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 different 808 VSTs that you can download for free on the internet, and you can use these in any DAW you have right now. Between these 3 VSTs, you have 126 different presets or 126 different 808 sub basses that you can use to make your beats. You can also use this inside of LMMS. Now, if this is something that you like, something that you might be interested in, stay tuned and do not go away. Let's get started with this video. The first VST that I'm going to show you is called XSub. This VST comes with 36 presets. I'm not going to sit here and waste your time showing you all 36 presets. Alright, let's just get started with this and take a listen to this VST called XSub. Come on, man. You can't tell me that you can make a beat with these 808s that you just heard. Imagine what you could create with this thing. And now, right into our second free 808 VST. It is called XLite. This VST has nothing light about it. It comes with 10 different styles, and each style has 8 presets for a total of 80 presets. Come on now, 80 free presets, and they call it light? It is time to show you the first preset of each different style of 808. This is just a little taste of all the different 808 that this VST comes with. This might be all you need to get started.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
And now to announce the winner of Beatmaker for the Complete Beginner. And the winner is Dasho 1888. Don't forget to hit that button like, to subscribe, and make a comment, because you never know the next time that I will be giving away a free gift.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
To light. This one is really light. It only comes with 10 free presets. That's it. Nothing more and nothing less. But it is still a good VST nonetheless. Let me show you the 10 different sounds that this VST comes with. Pretty decent VST, don't you agree? Well, that is it for this video, and please don't forget to hit that button like, and don't forget to subscribe. All the links will be in the description down below, and I wish you all a happy beat making day, and thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day.